G'day guys, Charlie from Custom Craft. Thanks for joining us. We're doing an Apehanger series and we're having a look at the Factory 47 bars. In episode 1 we had a look at the Vikla bar and we went right through that bar. How does it stack up, how does it not? Today is episode 2 and we're going to be covering the Nomad bar. The big thing I really love about these products is they're American made, 100%. In Australia back in the day, you could only buy American parts for your Harley. So everything was made in America. It was good, it was awesome. We supported the American economy, gave American jobs, which I love. By buying American made, the money goes to America. It goes to employing Americans, give American jobs. Okay, it's bending up bars, awesome. They've got a job, they've got a living, you know, they can feed the kids. I love that about this. And I do it here in Australia too. All our products are Australian made. I would never make in another country other than Australia, that's for sure. Our hoodies, even made locally, handmade. I pay extra money, higher wages. It is part of it. It's keeping the money here and supplying a future for the next generation to be able to find a job, which is very important. We get a lot of imported stuff here and it's just money being shipped out of the economy and overseas. All right. But the real awesome thing about these bars too is internally they're done just as well. My brother who does me bars, who fitted up my bars, loved doing the wires through the bar, not a problem at all. The electrical system didn't get eaten up by really bad welds, not on these. It's warming up here in Australia, we're just coming into spring, so I had to take the hoodie off. So just have a look at these bars and how they stack up for comfort, right? These bars are bent the shape they are, they come out beautifully. Sexy looking bar, great quality, but it's a modern bend, okay? And what I mean by a modern bend is they're not like the old Apehangers where they're all fixed. These are actually being bent up, so your arms, check it out, have got a nice straight posture to them for when you ride. So they're nice and straight when you're riding, but more importantly, because your arms are straight, I find them very comfortable because my back is straight too here, and there is no stress on the back. The back is actually straight, so it's going up and down, up and down, up and down. Now these are 18-inch bars, so I normally use a smaller bar for myself. I'm a small bloke, but you can see even with the 18-inch, these are still comfortable for me. And they're sitting a bit high on this bench as opposed to being on my bike. So nicely bent, nice straight arms, less effort, more turn on here to be included. So they're turning more, you're steering more, and altogether a brilliant bar. So that's the end of episode 2 covering the Nomad bars. Episode 3, we're going to be covering the Mad Dogger bars. These bars are all over LA, all over the US, very popular bar out there. So it's going to be great to go over that and have a look at what's going on with those bars. Cheers fellas, appreciate you